Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix set time zone automatically grayed out issue in Windows. Click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Date and Time. Set time zone automatically is grayed out. Click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Location, turn on Location Services. Allows turn on Mail and Calendar. Click Time and Language. Click Date and Time. Turn off set time zone automatically. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.